y'all, we got a 2012 here, model D6N. We got up for auction on November 20th. 13-foot 6-way blade up front. Got a 51 undercarriage on it. Probably 80-85%. If I had to guess. Y'all, it's got all kind of undercarriage underneath it. Motor runs good. Transmission's having a little bit of trouble. It's throwing a couple of speed sensor codes. We don't know exactly what that might be, but it does still run drive and will load on your trailer, y'all. We're weighing about 40,000 pounds. Pretty nice old machine right here. Going to be up for auction November 20th right here. SCSBid.com.